Today we'll be covering my ideal James Toretto version. So I originally had James as an LNYR Class 28, as per the official source, but I decided to change it to the Caledonian Real Life 34 class, just for him to stand in a little more. He still has the same livery and number, but what really changes is his backstory. So I have James as a more depressed sort. Why? Just to make him stand out a little more. We're all wondering, how did he get this depression? Well, I'll let you know. 1929. Percy had broken down of a goods train just outside Crosby. No one had warned James about the incident since he was already passing through the express since Gordon was going in for routine maintenance. James didn't see Percy until it was too late. He slammed on his brakes, but with the icy January rails, they were useless. James had collided head-on into the brake van, knocked out cold. His passengers were injured, some even dead. It was one of the many disastrous accidents that happened on Sodor. James was sent to the works and was managed to be repaired in just a few weeks. But from that day on, he was never the same we once knew.